How to check last seen on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to know when your friends were last active on Snapchat? In this video, I'll show you how to check someone's last seen status on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open Snapchat and swipe right to go to the chat screen. Find the person you want to check the last seen time for. If they are online or recently active, you will see their name at the top of the chat list. If they are online, you will see active now under their name or something like active 5 minutes ago. For users who are offline, you can see the time they were last active on Snapchat. For example, active 10 hours ago. Keep in mind, if you don't see the last seen info, it could be because the person has disabled their Snapchat activity status in their privacy settings. And if you are not friends on Snapchat and the activity is set to private, you can't see their activity status. If you want to hide your own activity status, here's how you can do. Go to your profile settings and tap on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll to privacy and tap on see my activity status and toggle it off to hide your last seen status. And that's it. Now you know how to check someone's last seen on Snapchat and also control your own visibility. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.